Good morning, T-Wolves. I'm Cody.
And I'm Cade.
And this is T-Wolf TV for Tuesday, April 12th. Juniors, if you're interested in being on a college and career banner hanging in the 100 Hall next year, pick up an application in the Student Finance or Main office. We're looking for all types of different college degrees, technology, military, and trades. If you have any questions, stop by and talk to Freddie in the Finance office. Applications are due by this Friday.
AP students, the balance of your AP exam fees are now due. The deadline to pay is April 20th. You cannot take the test if the fee is not paid in full. Don't procrastinate. If you have any questions, please see Miss Hall in the attendance office or Miss Grimm in the media center.
What's that? Oh, damn it, baby, you bad. Yeah. Heard you got a boyfriend. That's cool, girl. Where is he at? Ooh, he up. You lucked up. You done ran to the man. Look, I make you my babe for a day. You should be happy I'm giving you back. Cause I can make you wifey for a week. We can spend a weekend in Japan.
There's a donation box for the children's books in the front office this week. The books are for an Eagle project for the Kids on the Move program, an Orem nonprofit benefiting children in need. Please donate today.
Welcome to Timpanogos, and I am a T-Wolf.
I'm a T-Wolf.
I am a T-Wolf.
I'm a T-Wolf.
I'm a T-Wolf.
I'm a T-Wolf.
I am a T-Wolf.
A T-Wolf is
Cute.
Animal.
A T-Wolf is school-spirited. A T-Wolf is kind.
Is an example of a good student.
A T-Wolf is somebody that takes care of others.
T-Wolves are creative.
Being a T-Wolf is being kind.
we are
PAC is hosting the second annual Cornhole Tournament May 2nd. The deadline to register to participate is next Friday. Register in the Commons during lunch Tuesdays and Thursdays this week and next week.
Good luck to our spring sports teams this afternoon. Girls golf heads to Fox Hollow, boys tennis plays Orem here, softball heads north to Lehigh, boys soccer is at Orem, baseball travels south to Timpview, and girls lacrosse takes on Lehigh here at home. Good luck to all of you.
We leave you today with highlights of the boys lacrosse 7-3 win over Salem Hills, produced by T-Wolf TV's Gavin Ward. For T-Wolf TV, I'm Cade.
And I'm Cody.
Remember, T-Wolves, we love
We
you
live
all.
Mama, look at me now. Mama, look at me now. I got the juice coming for you and I'm bringing the news. Leaving them hanging, my banging. Second that I came in the game, I'm aiming. Hold up, wait a minute, break it down for the layman. I'm killing everybody. I'm the MC to the MC study. Look up to me, little buddy. Do it like me, little buddy. Save your money. Don't think about a beamer till you're selling arenas in your bullet like a ballin'. Everybody wonder what it be like. Nothing what it seem like. Nothing what a dream like. Go like green like. Something what it fiend like. Do it for the drug and we do it for the love and we do it for the high that we get when we ride in the whip and somebody pull up on you and they vibe and you. Mama, yeah. Look at me now.